not bad.
I'm Bailey. I'm currently getting a root canal.
You're acting a little funny.
I'm acting a little funny, I guess.
Hey guys, it's Bailey and Daxton, and we are here for another episode of Behind the Braids. So guess what, you guys? I know y'all really liked my wisdom teeth video. Well, I ended up going on laughing gas again because I needed a root canal. So yes, yet again, I went a little cuckoo crazy and
Hey guys, it's Bailey.
yes, acted really funny. So hopefully you guys get a good kick out of the video that we filmed. So let's get to it.
Whenever we come to Utah, what do we do, Brooklyn?
Get our hair done.
Get our hair did. Right, Bailey?
Yes.
What are you doing today?
So my hair's pink, but all the pink is blonde, and the blonde is starting to grow out. So I'm getting more blonde so I can keep it pink.
And then trimmed up.
And then I'm gonna get it.
Here's the mix master on the hair. Melanie. There's mine. Hey Bailey, what are you working on?
Statistics.
What hour are you on? 3, 4?
This is hour 3 or 4 of statistics.
Yep.
Not even halfway through.
I'm tired. I'm definitely like falling asleep.
What are we doing, Mom?
I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed.
And
So I don't have to fill them.
Bailey. I am not.
But she will.
You'll regret
She's
knowing.
gonna want to get it.
No, she will.
That's my Moni.
Looks great, Mel. This is just a night for beauty, right?
This is Mel and Mel.
Yep,
Mel
that's the 2 Mel.
and Mel.
We're mapping my eyebrows.
Outlining what they're gonna look like.
She's not even flinching.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 3. It's not bad.
For pain.
It's like uncomfortable mildly, but not bad.
That's good.
It's not bad, babe. I mean, you're gonna feel it, but it's not bad.
Hold my hand.
Now they're scaring me.
Hold my hand. That's her very intense focus face.
Yeah. Well,
the faster the better.
What's that? The faster, the better.
She's flinching.
Yeah, don't flinch.
Don't flinch, Bailey. Just squeeze my hand. Squeeze it. How are we feeling?
Good. It's getting better.
Bailey's just getting finished up. Oh, Bailey's almost done. They're looking good.
She's like, hallelujah.
See the finished product. They look good.
I know the eyebrows look good, but this part doesn't.
Red.
Don't my eyebrows look good?
They sure do. Show mine.
I didn't get mine done. I didn't get mine done.
Mine.
Mom looks normal. I don't understand. She just, and then there's me.
Watch it. But like,
So Bailey, where are we
you
at?
can upload them, but YouTube just turns off
What are we doing?
monetization on them.
Working
Brands
on
don't
creating
want to
a
be associated
new
with anything that you explain.
bedding regarding
You remember when that whole thing was going on? Did you read
I
about
actually
it?
think
It
we're
was
doing more
like, all
eating
suicide
than we
rate.
are.
Oh, yeah.
Than we are.
talk about that.
Yeah, we ate so much.
Look at all this food. No veggies.
No
What was
veggies.
there?
There was lettuce on this.
There was lettuce on our
I
sandwiches.
had lettuce on mine.
Brooklyn's in her own world.
I'm like, it's warm, I'm full. It's nap time.
It's nap time. Just a few of the patterns. What'd you think of the new ones they have coming out?
They're great. I'm excited. We placed a few bets on which one will sell the best, so.
I know.
Because they're all so good.
Look at the warehouse. It's just getting bigger
I'm
and bigger. Oh, look, I Spy.
My bedding.
Brooklyn's bedding.
And Bailey's is over here.
Right down there.
Where's Bailey's?
Right there.
Here's Bailey's. Look who we found!
I think you guys should do a dance or something. It's
Rockin'
recording.
Boston from Squared and from Rockin' Boston.
Oh my gosh. They're almost as tall as you girls.
I know, look at us.
How old are you guys?
We are 13.
13?
We are 13,
How
yep.
old are you, Brooklyn?
I mean, I
18.
18, 13, 18. Same size.
It's not fair.
Creating a photography studio for setting up beds. Taking lots of pictures, lots of storage back there. We had a mild ice storm last night, so I'm showing you all the little pretty icicles everywhere in the trees with the sun coming through them. See if I can, you see all the pretty little icicles? Look at all the little ice drips just frozen to the trees. That's what happens to our roads too. And why when you get ice storms, you don't drive on them.
Hold up, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do that down below.
It's the big red button right there.
Right there that says subscribe. Go subscribe right now. Okay, let's go back onto the video.
And don't forget to like.
Hi guys, I'm getting a root canal. Yes, this feels I had to get a child-sized nose thing because my nose is so small. I'm Bailey. If this throws you back to when I got my wisdom teeth out, it should, because I'm currently getting a root canal.
And you're acting a little funny.
I'm
aren't you?
acting a little funny, I guess, because I
Hey.
guess anytime I get on medication, I get talkative.
Yeah, but you're not talking in your southern accent.
No. Hey guys, it's Bailey, and
That's how it was. So you're not wanting, like, you're normal, right?
I mean, yeah, I can consciously decide what I'm saying, but it's like I'm outside my body, so I don't really care,
Yeah.
kind of thing.
So you could take your stats test right now and not care?
Yeah, that would not be a good idea. Not at all.
What do you want to say to Brooklyn?
Hey Brooklyn, thanks for stealing the makeup this morning. I had to go into Ryland's room and use her makeup because you took all of ours, but it's okay because I know you didn't realize it. You're the best twin sister ever.
Oh, she stole your makeup and you're calling her the best
Yeah.
twin sister ever?
Well, she is.
Oh,
So.
you love her?
Yeah.
She's sweet, huh?
Uh-huh.
You love Ryland?
Yeah, I do. Right. Thanks for letting me use your makeup.
Say thanks, Ryland.
Thanks, Ryland.
So check this out. Because her eyelashes are so long, they put a little cotton thing underneath the glasses to prop them up so her eyelashes don't hit her glasses.
Yes, and currently they're numbing me, which is why I have this in my mouth.
Yeah, it's all fun, huh?
It's really fun. You guys should try getting a root canal sometime. It's really awesome. Hi guys, it's Bailey. I'm getting a root canal. And I guess I actually funny doing all this stuff because Dad's over there laughing. Hi Dad.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
Okay.
That's what Mark's is always the best. I'm vlogging. I guess
Are you going to go back to school today, really?
No, I'm not going back to school today. I'm taking the excuse while I can, huh?
Okay.
It's a good one too. Root canals. I mean, the doctor's nice, but I don't say they're fun, so. I think we found what makes me loopy. It's nitrous.
Nitrous.
Nitrous is what makes me act funny. I don't know why I react so strongly to nitrous, but I really do. It's strange. It's because my tongue is numb. I'm acting a lot like my wisdom tooth video. I don't know why. It's so weird, but everybody is different. This doctor says everybody is different. We don't know how she will react to having a root canal, so we have to see. We don't know how she'll react to nitrous, but apparently I react very strongly because I'm here talking to you today. I'm about to get a root canal and I feel very funny and I react very strongly, but I hope that this doctor has a fantastic day. Thank you, doctor, for giving me a very good root canal. Thank you, doctor. He says thank you. I say thank you personally, and I'm listening to music because I don't want to hear what's going on. But Dad is laughing at me, which means I'm acting really funny. So I think we found what makes me act funny, which is nitrous. Nitrous is what makes me act funny. I don't know. I couldn't have this job because I would laugh at the patients who act funny on this medication. Sir, I commend you. You are doing a fantastic job at not laughing. My goal now is going to be to try to make him laugh, but only after he's done with the surgery because I don't want to mess anything up. Because that would be bad. And he's doing a fantastic job. He really is doing a good job. Really. But I commend these two because if I had this job, I would just be laughing all the time.
Say bye. You gotta work on it.
Okay, bye guys.
I'm in the car. I got my seatbelt on, and we're going to iCode. It's where I code. I've learned HTML, HTML5, HTML, and CSS. That's not all. Scratch, App Inventor, JavaScript.
Raspberry Pi.
Yep, Raspberry Pi. I want to be an astronaut, and I have to be with this one. I need my doctor's degree to get my astronaut license or my pilot license. Hey kids, if you study really hard and get good grades and be good and choose the right, then you could do any job you want. A teacher, an astronaut, a lawyer, a doctor, the President of the United States. Daxton out.
Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I know I get really crazy and I don't know why, but it just happens. So hopefully you guys get a good laugh out of all the videos of me going a little crazy when I get on Laughing Gas. Okay, you guys, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do that by clicking the button right over here. Also, if you want to see my wisdom teeth video where I act crazy again, click the button right over here. And to watch more Behind the Braids, click the button right down below that. We love you guys, and we'll see you all next time.
Don't forget to like.
Bye. Mwah.